Today's video from Shop Stuff, we're going to demonstrate how to fit personalised keycaps to the department buttons on your Casio SR-S500 or 4000 registers. So on this machine we've got out in front of us, I've got personalised keycaps on buttons 1 to 5. So they've got a description of the name of the button, and then the remaining ones are all set to the Casio default. So the first thing to do is to turn the machine key lock to the off position, because obviously you don't want to get error message or put through false sales while you're messing around with the buttons. It's not difficult to remove the keycaps, but there's a bit of a knack to it. So I pinch them from the side or the bottom and top, and then lift off the plastic cover. Take your keycap, pop it on top of the Casio cap. What you want, the temptation is to throw away the Casio cap, but there is a letters on the front of each button for programming, so it's worth keeping hold of them just in case you ever want to reprogram the machine. And then put both the Casio underlay and then your personalised keycap in. Check that it's lined up correctly with how you want it to appear, and then you simply pop the button or the keycap back over the top like that. You just want to check the button responds how it should do. So you pinch from the side. Obviously you can pinch from the bottom and top of the lower buttons, but when you're in the middle of the keyboard it's a bit trickier. So I'll grab the keycap. So that's my personalised keycap that's going on to button 7. Lift up the Casio underlay, line it up in the plastic keycap cover. So the letter should be at the front, and then obviously your description so that it appears nice on the button, and then pop the cover back on, check that the button's still springy and responsive, and repeat the procedure for as many as you need to do. I'll do one more, I won't do the whole set because it'll make a remarkably boring video. 4 should illustrate how to do it. So there's your keycap going in the top, the Casio bit sits in there like that, so you've got it nicely aligned. Close the button over, and when you're finished you can turn the key back to reg and the machine will be ready to use as normal. For full technical support videos on the SR-S500 and SR-S4000, you can visit casiohelp.co.uk or visit the Casio Help YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.